This is Crimson Rain, first start back from a bit of a spell, just at the Cambridge workouts, so I'll give her a bit of a hit out today and see how she goes with looking towards racing it. Quite a big heat this one. I think there's about 7 or 8 in it, so she should get a nice hit out and amongst the rest of the field. So Rometti. Let her run off the gate a bit, but plenty of speed on early, so at least we're going to get a good hit out, I think. I think this heat might go faster than some of the races did at Cambridge the other night. Probably not a bad run for fresh up. I tried not to knock her around too much. She went pretty bloody hard early, so you know, just got to hope she improves off that and it doesn't bottom her out too much more than anything. But the yeah, hey, she kept going to the line, and as say improves a bit off it, she should be not too far away. We need races like that. That's just good.
Yeah.
I think, hey, probably the only concern is if it flattens her a bit, but hopefully it improves her.
I think she needs a couple of hard runs.
Yeah.
So.
Well, it'll either fix her or fuck her.
Yeah, right. I would take her down to an eco and no check the other.
Yeah. Right, Toddy. Yeah, I didn't sort of knock her around too much because we went pretty hard early, so I got 43 lead time and then half in 58.8.